From our hands to yours, for the mothers, for daughters, for helpers, and the homes we love. This is Easywash.
Pakistan spends billions on importing everyday cleaning products, increasing the trade deficit while ignoring the potential of local innovation, skin sensitivity, and affordability. So why to rely on foreign brands when we have the ability and resources to make it in our own country?
Easywash, an indigenous, affordable, and skin friendly dishwashing liquid with local ingredients, affordable pricing, and 3 refreshing variants: strawberry, mint and lime, and lemon. So, we built a brand from conducting market surveys to testing formulations, from designing packaging to planning distribution. We worked on every detail ourselves. As you can see, various surveys we have done to understand what customers want. We did the competitors analysis, and you can see the graphs and tables here. And for the brand awareness, we have created social media accounts, we ensured the digital presence, we have developed a website on Odoo, and also we have registered our trademark.
Our goal is to grow Easywash into a national brand, reduce the import dependency, and create jobs through sustainable entrepreneurship.
Easywash combines international quality with local affordability. It's gentle on hands and tough on grease, and proudly made in Pakistan.
Easywash, pure, powerful, and proudly Pakistani brand.